Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF B850-BTF motherboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the foundation, AMD's new B850 chipset. This motherboard supports AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, giving you top-tier CPU compatibility and future-proofing. And thanks to the AM5 socket, you get full access to modern features like DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, plus the ability to handle cutting-edge AI workloads and GPU power demands. Now, the BTF in the name stands for Back to the Future, and ASUS isn't joking around. This board features a hidden connector design, which routes all your cables through the rear side of the motherboard, keeping the visible side of your build ultra-clean. No cluttered cables, no bulky connectors ruining the aesthetic. It's a revolutionary step forward in DIY-friendly motherboard design, perfect for enthusiasts who value clean builds and airflow optimization. Under the hood, the power delivery is rock solid. ASUS has equipped this board with 14 plus 2 plus 1 DrMOS power stages, each rated for 80 amps, plus ProCool 8 plus 8-pin power connectors, durable chokes, capacitors, and an 8-layer PCB for stable, clean power delivery. Whether you're overclocking a Ryzen 9 CPU or pushing your system to the limit with rendering and multitasking, this motherboard will handle it effortlessly. But let's talk GPU compatibility, because this board does something few others do. It includes a high-power PCIe slot that supports up to 600 watts of power delivery for the motherboard itself. That's a massive feature if you're using a high-end graphics card with a PCIe high-power connector, helping eliminate additional cables and simplifying your build. When it comes to memory, the TUF B850-BTF supports DDR5 RAM up to 6000 MHz, giving you plenty of bandwidth for gaming, content creation, and demanding AI workloads. ASUS's OptiMEM layout ensures cleaner signal integrity and better overclocking potential, all while maintaining system stability. Storage is also future-ready. You get 3 M.2 slots, one of which is PCIe 5.0, while the other two are PCIe 4.0. All three are covered by dedicated M.2 heatsinks, ensuring thermal control and consistent performance even during sustained high-speed transfers. Connectivity? It's absolutely loaded. The motherboard features the latest Wi-Fi 7, which gives you faster speeds, lower latency, and better network efficiency than even Wi-Fi 6E. And for wired networking, you get Realtek 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone needing rock-solid internet performance. On the I/O side, you'll find a rear USB Type-C port with 20 gigabit per second bandwidth, a front USB Type-C with 10 gigabits per second, and support for Thunderbolt 4 via USB 4 header. You also get DisplayPort and HDMI output options, giving you display flexibility out of the box. Cooling is another strength here. ASUS has integrated large VRM heatsinks, a PCH heatsink, and 3 dedicated M.2 heatsinks, plus Fan Expert 4 software for advanced cooling control. There are multiple hybrid fan headers too, allowing custom cooling setups, whether you're on air or liquid cooling. And of course, ASUS knows builders want ease of use. The TUF B850-BTF includes a pre-mounted I/O shield, PCIe slot key release slim, M.2 Q latch, Q antenna, QLED diagnostics, and a famous BIOS flashback button, which lets you update BIOS without a CPU or RAM installed. This is DIY heaven. For those who care about personalization, ASUS includes 3 addressable Gen 2 RGB headers, all fully compatible with Aorus Sync, so your entire setup, from fans to strips to GPU, can match your theme and sync. Despite being one of the newer boards on the market, it's already earning 5-star reviews, thanks to its perfect balance of cutting-edge features, premium build quality, and next-gen support.